we were doing yesterday. So now invitations, as we have done yesterday. We have discussed a formal invitation, fine. We have discussed formal invitation, and I gave you one homework also. Yeah, first of all, yeah, all of a sudden I was reminded, like regarding the homework. So how many of you have done invitation? Formal we have done. It is written in the box format, and it is written in the invitation format, as we have seen the invitation cards coming during the marriages, fine, or on the occasion of the annual sports meet or the annual function of the school. So now I'll be sharing with you the informal invitation, fine. So I'll be sharing, and you can take the screenshot as you people have taken, must have taken yesterday also. Okay, fine. So now you can see on your screen, there is this example of informal invitation. As you can see, informal invitation, it is written in the format of a letter. Fine. So it is written in the format of a letter. And as you can see here, there is the address, the sender's address. After that, leaving a line. And then there is the date, that is July 13, 2020. After then, the salutation, dear, whatever the name of your friend, you can write that. And so here the question is like, your daughter's birthday party is there, so you want to, or you want to invite a few of your friends. So, you know, this is a small function. So that is why there is no need of printing the cards. One very important fact that you must remember, students, like when you are inviting selective people, few people, like around 30, 40, 50, 30, 40. So in that case, there is no need for having the printing cards. You can invite them by sending the letters. And these days, there is a great change also, like because of the technology, you can invite through WhatsApp. So this is the format: address, date, and then the salutation. And after that, you can see, you'll be pleased to know that our Mihika has turned 1. So to celebrate this occasion, we have organized a party on July 18, 2020 at 7 p.m. at Radisson Blu. So in this category, like informal invitation, the same thing is there, only the way of writing is different. Here you are supposed to mention the occasion, and you are supposed to mention the date, time, and the venue also, that as you can see on the screen. Fine. So we'll be glad if you come along with the Amita and the kids. Amita is the wife. So, and the kids, I'm sure you'll have a great time. Looking forward to your presence in the party, your friend Tarun. So this is the letter or informal invitation. Yeah, yes, Kunal. Yeah, that is there. The address, only one address will be there. Fine. Like as we are writing in the letters now, we are giving 2 addresses, senders and the receivers. But here in this case, only one letter, one address will be there, right? Is this clear, or you want to ask anything in related to this? Any query?
It's clear.
Yeah, it's clear. Fine. Okay. One thing, like yesterday, I gave you a question. Okay, fine. Like let me come to the main screen. Okay. You all have taken the screenshot of this informal invitation also, I believe. Okay, now see, yesterday I gave you 2 questions. So one is like annual sports meet, that was very easy. Annual sports meet, that is quite similar to the question that I have discussed in the class, annual function. And the second is you are supposed to invite a celebrity, a VIP. Fine, so like that, in that case, like which kind of invitation will come? Who will answer? As I gave you the second question, so in that category, like which kind of invitation will you draft, formal or the informal one? Yes, who will answer? All are in confusion, nobody is willing. In that category, you will be drafting the invitation like this format, that is informal invitation. Because see, in that case, you are giving invitation to one person only. So when you are giving invitation to few people, very few people, So in that case, you'll be drafting informal invitation. And if you're giving invitation to n number of people, 100 people, fine, then you will give the draft the invitation in that format, that is formal, right? Now see, the reply is also there. Invitations are of two kinds. Now the replies are also of two kinds. One is the formal and the second one is the informal. Formal and the informal reply. One more thing also, like in both the cases, formal and the informal, there are two conditions. It is not always possible that the person will go in the particular function. It could be possible that the person is not able to go because of some circumstances. So like in every invitation, there are two possible conditions. One is acceptance of the invitation. So write down, like for every reply, there are two kinds. One is acceptance of the invitation, and the second one is refusal of the invitation. Because sometimes you may accept, fine, and some condition you have to say no because of some prior commitments. For example, there is a function in the family, there is a meeting in the office, something or the other is there. So because of that, it is not possible for you to attend the function. So that is to be done. So now I am once again sharing with you the screen. I'll be showing you reply. So you can take the screenshot of this also. Fine, so here it is there, like you can see on the screen, like this is a formal reply and it is refusal. Now here you can see it is formal, so it is written in the printed form, that is the card format. So in the card format, you'll be drafting in this manner. Mr. Vipin Sachdev, thanks. So now see two important points. I want all of you to note it down, all the points which I am delivering. First thing is there are two kinds of reply, refusal and acceptance. And when you are writing refusal and acceptance, in both the cases, first you are supposed to thank the person for giving you the invitation. So this is very, very important. You must thank the person who has given you the invitation of the occasion. Fine. So now Mr. Vipin Sachdeva thanks Mr. Tarun Tibriwal for his kind invitation for dinner now. See, when you're thanking the person for giving the invitation, once again in the reply also you are supposed to mention the details. That is the date, time and the venue. So invitation for dinner on 18th July 2020 at 7 p.m. at Radisson Blu. All the details. So now we have simply thanked. Now this is refusal. So what is to be written? Simply this line will be written. Just simply what you have to do is just mug up this line. But regrets his inability to attend due to the prior commitment. So this line simply you have to, you know, mug up so that you can simply write down at that time. So this is the case of refusal, but regrets his inability to attend due to a prior commitment. And after that, you are supposed to write down your address, that is B7 Raja Garden, New Delhi, and the phone number. I have written 12345 and 5 crosses are there, as you can see on the screen. Now, one more thing also, this is refusal. Now, another is acceptance. So what you'll do, here I have written refusal. What you'll do, the same format will be there, same thing will be there in the acceptance also. Only one line is to be changed. Whatever I'm telling you, just note it down in the same manner. So in the acceptance, only one line will be changed, and that is what from the beginning it is same. Just write down in your copies acceptance, and the content is same, like Mr. Vipin Sachdeva thanks Mr. Tarun Tibriwal for his kind invitation for dinner on 18th July 2020 and at 7 p.m. at Radisson Blu, right? Till this, the content will be same, and the next line will be changed, and you write down that line, and will be delighted to attend it, and will be delighted to attend it, full stop. And after that, the same, that is the address will be there and the phone number. So this is all is the reply of the formal invitation, and both we have done formal reply, that is refusal, and the acceptance. So this is the formal invitation, formal reply. Fine. Now next is the informal reply. Informal reply, like here, it is written in the format of a letter. So the same thing, the address, after that, like for example on, yeah.
मैम repeat कर दोगे पिछला वाला?
कौन सा वाला? Yes, Harsh.
The acceptance.
Acceptance, only one line is changed. You have the, wait a second. Harsh, are you able to hear me? Hello? Yes. See, first mute yourself, Harsh. Harsh, mute yourself. See, as you can see on the screen, there is the reply, formal reply is there. Fine. So now here, this is refusal. In refusal, the content is from Mr. Vipin Sachdeva till Redison Blue, the content is same. And you have to add one line, that is, but regrets his inability to attend due to a prior commitment. Or it can be written due to prior commitments. More than one commitment is there on that particular day. So for that reason, you will not be able to attend. So this is refusal, as I've marked on the screen also, right? Now the second category is acceptance. Acceptance means swikar karna, that you'll be going in the party, you are interested. So write down the heading acceptance, and the content will be same. What Mr. Vipin Sachdeva thanks Mr. Tarun Tibriwal for his kind invitation for the dinner on 18th July 2020 at 7 p.m. at Redison Blue. So till this, the content will remain same. Only one line will be changed. What? Only one line that is to be changed is, write down, and will be delighted, and will be delighted to attend it. So this is to be written instead of, but regrets his inability to attend due to a prior commitment. So this line is to be written in refusal, and in acceptance, what is the line? And will be delighted to attend it. Bas. Only this much is to be done. Simply mug it off and your answer is done. And in the same manner, write down the address, B7 Raja Garden, New Delhi, and the phone number. Now Harsh, tell me, is it clear? Unmute yourself, Harsh Chauhan.
Yes, ma'am, it's clear.
Okay, fine. Okay, so mute yourself once again. Now the informal reply. Informal reply will be in the manner of a letter, same as we have done the informal invitation. So the same is the address, B7 Raja Garden, New Delhi, then the date July 15. For example, when the person has given the invitation on 13th of July, right, 2020. So the person will answer on 15th of July after 2 days. And now, dear Tarun, I was really delighted to receive your invitation for the birthday party of your daughter. Mihika is not written. You can write that on July 18, 2020 at a Redison Blue at 7 p.m. So we have mentioned occasion, date, time, venue. Believe me, I cannot wait to meet your family. I also wish to meet your parents, for whom I have the fondest regards. Looking forward to meeting you, your friend Vipin. So this is what acceptance. Acceptance that the person is interested and will be going to the party. Now, this is the acceptance in category of informal reply. Now, in this category, refusal. What you are supposed to do, The content will be same, like I was really delighted to receive your invitation for the birthday party of your daughter on July 18, 2020 at Radisson Blu at 7 p.m. Believe me, I also, now what you'll do, believe me, I also want to meet your family, but I cannot attend the function due to prior commitments. But I cannot attend the function due to prior commitments. And in the next line, I hope you would understand my situation. Full stop. Your friend, Vipin. Is it clear? Fine. So now I have shared with you. Yeah. So I've shared with you the types of invitation. Fine. And then their replies also, acceptance and the refusal. Now you can ask any of the doubts, any queries that you have related to invitation, because this topic must be clear today itself. Any doubt? Fantastic. Not a single student is raising any hand. You people are so very intelligent. Huh? Dipnita, switch on your video.
Ma'am?
Yeah, Dipnita, switch on your video. Solution. How will you write? How will you write down for this? Yes, who will answer? Just we have discussed the reply, that is the formal and the informal one. So if this is the question, first is I'm explaining the question. You are invited to the fundamental rights of children organized by the Lions Club of your district. So respond. So you are invited. Fine. So this means you are the guest of honor. Is this clear? You are the guest of honor. So you are supposed to respond to the letter accepting the invitation. In this question, it is very clear that the question itself is making it clear that you are supposed to accept the invitation. In many cases, the question is there and it's not clear whether you are supposed to accept or refuse. That is according to your choice. But in this question, it is very clear that you are supposed to respond and accepting the invitation in not more than 50 words. So how will you start? Yes, who will answer? Yes, who will try?
First, I wanted to ask that
You are Priyam. You are Priyam/Priya. Full stop. You have received a letter. You have received a letter from your close friend. From your close friend, inviting you to attend the marriage, inviting you to attend the marriage of his sister, to attend the marriage of his sister, full stop. But unfortunately, you cannot attend it. You cannot attend it due to your previous commitments. Due to your previous commitments, full stop. Respond to the letter. Respond to the letter regretting your inability. Regretting your inability to attend the marriage ceremony. To attend the marriage ceremony. So in this case, like what is there? The name is given. You are Priyam and Priya, it is given. You have received a letter from your close friend. So here you can imagine any other name inviting you to attend the marriage of his sister. So this means a boy is there. Fine. So the name of the boy and his sister is there. So you have to imagine the name of the boy and his sister who is getting married. but unfortunately you cannot attend the function due to your previous commitment. So the line is also given. You did not have to, if you have forgotten during the exam. So in this category, like in this question, easily you can have the line also, as you cannot attend the function due to prior commitments, or yeah, due to previous commitments also. And you can write down this informal reply. So anybody wants to try here, like what is to be done, how it will be written? Any student?